Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is related to testing out 5 photography hacks by 5-minute crafts. I will check it out, the hacks really works or not, and you will guys see the results. So before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe, like and share if you can. And this is my Instagram handle where if you want to follow me, then go and check it out. So yeah, let's get started. So in this video, at first I will show you the clip so you can guys understand what they are doing, and after that I will test it out and you can see the results actually works or not. Okay, let's do this. As you can see that my left profile has light and the right profile is not, so I'm just take a white plastic as they are doing. I just take a selfie before using this, and after that I will take one more selfie using this, so you can guys see the difference. So I'm just using my tab for clicking picture, and yeah, I am giving this hack as 3.5 and 1.5 is not. It is working, but I don't think that the plastic is so necessary, because the thing it is doing, it can be done just by this torch, because I have light from this side and this side. So in the next hacks you can see they are using the CD. I have also one, so this. So let's take a shot and see how it will look like. So I am giving this hack 4.5 out of 5, because I think by this CD some beautiful click can be created, and 0.5 I am cutting from this because yeah, this is so old method and everyone don't have CD in their house in nowadays. Moving on to the next hacks, where they are using some sprays and decreasing their brightness. So yeah, we will see what it will happen. So as you can guys see that they are using some small wrapper, so I also use that, but some blurry effects are coming, as you see in the picture. So next I use this clear plastic, but the picture are not up to the mark because I don't know what my mobile or anything else, but picture are not coming like this as they are saying. So what I am giving it 2 because it's not so good at all. So in the next hack they are using a drop of water and it is working like micro photography. So I did the same thing as you can guys see, but it is not working. I am questioning myself what is happening. It's not good at all and I am giving it 0 out of 5. So yeah, this is all about today and I enjoyed this very much. Did you guys enjoy? Let me know in the comment section below. See you soon in the next video. Stay beautiful. Bye bye.